Bonjour, this is Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm going to show you how to make s'mores that are actually climate change resistant. You're going to be able to make them even though the world is ending. It's doomsday, the planet is on fire, and so are, well, all of the woods here in Canada. How to deduct your s'mores? Super mega easy. First things, you're going to need a YouTube channel. Then you're probably going to need an accountant, but don't worry too much about that. If you keep your receipt and you got a YouTube channel and you film everything that I'm going to show you how to do it, you should be fine for your end of year. All right, let's do this. I got myself some Hershey s'mores, but the problem is on the box it says Campfire s'mores. What? We're not in 2019 anymore. You cannot do campfire s'mores. It's illegal. I mean, you cannot go in the woods and start a fire. You cannot even go on a campsite and start a fire. No more fires are allowed. So you need to be clever about it. Of course, they say microwave s'mores, but I mean, who wants to microwave their s'mores? This is so weird. So I'm going to show you an even better way to make sure that your marshmallows, they're toasty. They're just like on a fire because they're kind of actually going to be on a fire. But without having to go in the wild, wild woods, get eaten by a bear, chased by a rabbit, and then eat some s'mores. Super easy. Let's open this box. I would like to thank Hershey. No, not because they're sponsoring this video, because they put three chocolate bars in there that are most delicious. And I think that that is a really intense, ingenious idea. Though, I'm open for sponsorship, Hershey. Careful, paper cuts. Oh, just got one. Oh my God. It's gonna be fine. Well, in the box, what do we have here? Well, actually, I'm doing an unboxing right now, which is a bit weird. Have you ever seen unboxing on food? Plus, I cut it myself. I mean, this is a dangerous unboxing. If ever you've seen unboxing on food, well, leave me a comment. Write it right down here. What type of unboxing have you seen of unboxing food? Was it like weird food? I mean, pickles? A pickle jar? Leave a comment. Leave a comment right now. If you like unboxing Hershey's, it's okay. I'm keeping most of my blood in my body. It's gonna be fine. Well, you need to tell me. Tell me in a comment right now. Here we have some graham crackers. Ooh, it's nice. They're not broken. More graham crackers. Still not broken. Then marshmallows. Ooh, they're mushy. Look at this. Pretty mushy. It's a good mushiness for marshmallows. And as promised are 3 bars. Okay, so we have the Reese's peanut butter. That means that if you have some little scout friends, and they're allergic to peanuts, don't give them that one. No, it's not gonna be a fun time in the woods, people. And then you've got milk chocolate and cookie and cream. I have to say these bars are a bit small. This one's a bit big, but these ones a bit small. Maybe it's shrinkflation. Do you know what shrinkflation is? Leave me a comment right now. Let's talk about shrinkflation. It's a real thing. If you don't know, Google it and then leave me a comment after that. But Piper, how are we gonna do s'mores without having a campfire? Wood, gasoline, fire starter, some fire, my big lighter, that I bought, the Martha Stewart edition and Snoop Dogg, No, you don't need any of those. You don't need any of those. We're doing campfires that are good for climate change, good for the environment. There's gonna be nobody hurt in this campfire, not even the little flies that live in the woods. It's gonna be super safe. You will need some skewers like these ones. The bigger they are, the better. That way you don't burn yourself because we're still gonna handle hotness. Oh yeah. I mean, we need to toast these marshmallows. That's the whole point of s'mores. So let's open these. Do a nice little brochette. But I mean, seriously, you might just need like 2 marshmallows. It's not, don't go over. Try to fit them there. About in the middle. That's good. Oh yeah. Now you want to prepare everything else. Because the thing is, when your marshmallows are ready, you need to be fast. You need to be quick. You need to be ready to do the s'mores. The marshmallow is what is going to melt the actual chocolate. And so your graham cracker and your chocolate needs to be out. What chocolate do you want? Oh yeah. Okay, we'll do like the standard. We'll do this one. Just because, you know, the classic always wins. One graham cracker. Now this is enough, okay? You don't need to put like It's not an ice cream sandwich. It's a s'mores. Cut it in half, like this. Now, place your chocolate. You need to be ready for this. It's very unforgiving, the whole s'mores journey. Plus, it's like 30 degrees out here today, so the chocolate is already melted. So it's gonna be very easy to make s'mores. Welcome to climate change. See this? I told you. It's already melted. Oof. It's gonna be okay, Hershey's. It's gonna be okay. Mmm. Just like in the olden days. All right, I know I haven't told you yet. How are we gonna actually grill these marshmallows? I've got the thing for you, this. But Piper, that's a barbecue. You said we weren't gonna do campfires. Yeah, I know what I said, and this is why I bring to you, ta-da, the toaster. It's the best thing to make campfire marshmallows at home without using the microwave. Microwave is not enough, you know? You're not doing enough things with the microwave. With the toaster, you're actually controlling the actual burnt and crisp of your marshmallow. So there's a bit more involved. You need to be receptive. And see, you put your skewer like this. Whoa, it's made for this. I was made for making marshmallows in my toaster, yeah? That's exactly what's happening. Okay. Of course, depending on the campsite that you have actually rented, there's a possibility that there's electricity on your campsite. And that's perfect. Just bring your toaster with you. Super easy, super good for the environment, and you still get the most amazing campfire dessert ever. The s'mores. Let's press this thing. Oh, maybe it's not open. Nope. I'm not seeing any juice. Please, there. Here we go. All right. Now you need to be attentive like an hawk. You need to make sure that your marshmallows, they don't go in your toaster, because then you cannot use your toaster anymore. That is the secret. That is the little stress. Usually you're scared your hair is going to catch fire or you're going to put the marshmallow in somebody else's eye. Well, that's different. You need to make sure that you don't, go and break a toaster that's worth about $30. That's a lot to come by. So you just carefully check it out. It's so cool, so cool. Not yet, brown. You want it to be brown. I know some people like their marshmallow, raw. For some weird reason. I only like my marshmallows cooked. I don't like raw marshmallows at all. But everybody's not the same, so if ever you want to hate, do it in the comment section. Do it right now. Just go hating on everybody who hates raw marshmallows. Oh, see? Toasty babies. Make sure you turn them, yes. Turn them slowly. You want to have some actual brownness everywhere. And, it's actually toasting. Plus, you don't have all of the carbon monoxide from the fire, which is great for the ozone and the planet. You're actually doing your part doing this. Plus, you're not necessarily doing the compost, You're actually just using your toaster. Oh, yeah, see, this is burning sounds. Oh, that's wonderful. We're almost ready. We're almost there. Okay. Something you need to know about marshmallows. Never put your fingers or your mouth on the marshmallow or any type of extremities. Why? Because marshmallows are gooey and they will stick to you and they will burn you to death. Okay, maybe that's a little over-exaggerated. See this? Beautiful. They're all puffy. Just like in, the movie? Ghostbusters. So now you're ready to put it in your graham cracker. Like I said, don't touch. That's why you got the cookies. You place the cookies like this. You use it. Oh, see? Oh my God, my chocolate's already melted. You use it as a spoon like this. And see those marshmallows? Oh, this is perfect consistency for s'mores. Now you need to wait a little bit. You don't want to burn yourself, I told you. You've all seen this movie, Dennis the Menace, with the marshmallow scene. If you haven't seen it, it's because you probably weren't born in the 90s, but that's all good. You can go and check it out later.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some
it's melted. The marshmallow is like gooey everywhere. It has cooled down enough to be perfect. It's just like some Jiffy Lube, but different. Now you need to put it in your mouth. To it slowly. Appreciate the fact that you did not pollute the earth by doing this, or a little bit less, you know?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
See, that's how you deduct your s'mores. Plus, you make a change on the planet. It's super mega easy. Now you know that you can make s'mores with your toaster. And pretty much everybody has a toaster. So just share this video with all of your friends who want to do s'mores but can't do s'mores because there is no fire allowed anywhere right now. Because of climate change and everything that's been happening. And if you want to deduct those, even better. Open yourself a YouTube channel, make sure that you keep your receipt and talk to your accountant about it. I'm Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm going to show you how to deduct your life and your s'mores. Awesome! It's worth it.